Hey, this is Ralph with a three-card home business tarot reading. My wife and I have been working from home, earning a full-time income from it since 2011. So I like to do home-based business type readings and connecting with clients who are in the home-based business industry as well as others. But today's reading, the question is, how will the home business be for this coming week? And we got three interesting cards. First one really was no surprise. The Eight of Pentacles. Working your craft, working your trade, and keeping busy. Second card here. This one took me by surprise. And this card has a lot of wisdom in it. This is a Hierophant. One interpretation that we can take away from the Hierophant is that the Hierophant is a bridge between heaven and earth, also can be seen as a bridge between peoples. So, bridging here, the idea of bridging comes up when we see the Hierophant card. And the third card here, Five of Cups, generally understood as being sorrow, pain, loss, stuff we don't like seeing in the home business space, as well as other areas of life. But five is also the number of growth, the number of change. And so this card has a double meaning. It can mean sorrow, can also mean growth. And putting these three cards together, the Eight of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Five of Cups, we can get the message that in order to have a really good business this week, to have a business that's rocking, is bridge. Build a bridge between yourself and your client, or even better, build a bridge from your potential client to yourself. Most people start building bridges at their starting point without thinking about who they're reaching out to. If you're thinking about who you're reaching out to and building a bridge from there, building a bridge from your potential client to yourself, then you know you're starting out at the right place. Business is the process of finding people who need help, finding people who are looking for solutions, and then having the solution available that will help that client have a better life, build a better business, do better in this world. So, the overall energy that I get from this is that if you want to have a week that is rocking, a business that is rocking any time of the year, start building bridges. Find the solution that other people are looking for and build that bridge to them, actually from them to yourself. And then your business will be rocking. Build bridges, my friend, and keep things flowing. This is Ralph signing off. If you would like to order your own professional 10 card tarot card reading, or actually, we use as many cards as are necessary in our private consultations, but we do readings by phone. My wife does them in Spanish. I do them in English. We charge by the half hour. You can go get book yourself a reading by going to ralphshomebiz.com/tarot. And that link will be in the program description down below. Get yourself signed up for that, and you can order a reading. And even if you don't order a reading, you get signed up for our Tarot Card of the Day newsletter, which we're publishing daily, Monday through Friday. So until later, this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. Catch you in the next installment. So long.